Sitting at number 4 on the list is to plan for long-term maintenance and aftercare. This is another critical point where most urban greening programs fail. Trees are planted, the photos are taken, and then they are forgotten. In any tree planting initiative, it is important to note that the first 3 to 5 years are critical for the tree survival, and simple actions like watering and maintenance can double or even triple survival rates, but they're often ignored. Hence, there is need to plan in regular watering, pruning, and formative shaping, protection from vandalism or damage through close monitoring and replacement into entire program development. Without these maintenance efforts being put in place, mortality rates can exceed 30 to 50% in some cities. One way to fix this long-term maintenance issue would be to start early with proper engagement of local people and community, especially youths who can take responsibility for this aftercare. This has proven to be a cheaper and more sustainable way to cater for the trees and for long-term survival. Urban tree planting programs are not a one-off project, rather require long-term